What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jasmine.
I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Welcome back, you guys. So today we're going to be doing some DIY henna freckles. Y'all, I got this brown henna from AliExpress and we're gonna see how good it works. If you guys have watched my last video, you guys would know that this is the one that I used for my last henna video. This is black and I thought it was gonna come out like the brown, but it didn't. So I ended up buying the brown because I was not about to put black dots on my face. I was not gonna do that. So we got the brown. I'm excited because I've been wanting to do this and now we got to, y'all. If y'all have not established my niche, it's random, cute, girly stuff, you know? So yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. But before we get started, thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Y'all really got me there. I am like truly grateful. I'm blessed. I am just happy that you guys are sticking around to see what, you know, my crazy self got going on, you know? Okay. But I truly appreciate it and it is very much valued. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I don't know if you could just pull it and it comes out, because the other one came with a cap. Like this one came with a cap and it's not cut, and this one has like a little pin or whatever it is at the end. So we're either gonna try to pull it or we're gonna cut it. I've washed my face like in the areas that I need the freckles to be. So we're just gonna be going all over my face. Like I'm gonna do a lot in my T-zone area and I'm gonna just like dot around everywhere else. I think how I'm gonna start is like do like the beauty marks that I have, like the moles and stuff that I have. So yeah, we're gonna do that. All right, so let's see. We're gonna pull. Oh yeah, you just pull it, y'all. This is how it looked. This is how deep it was in. This is what it looked like once you pull it out. So now we have our henna and it's ready to just go. I don't even need scissors.
Not on period.
All right, y'all, so I guess we just gonna go in. So let's see. I have like a beauty mark right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. Y'all, I already feel like it's too big. So let me get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is what they're looking like after the application. But yeah, y'all, I can feel it getting hard, so I know they're gonna be ready in like 30 minutes. So yeah, I think I want to line my lips with this. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, y'all, so we finished lining the lips. So I'll let all of this dry, probably for like an hour. I'm gonna be back and we're gonna wash all of this off. And we're gonna see the end results. I think it's gonna be pretty. It's tingling, like you can feel the tingles. I don't know what they be putting in this to make it tingle like this, but you can feel it. It's not even bad right now. It looks cute. So we'll be back. Alright, y'all, so it's drying now and we're about to go wash it off. And hopefully it leaves just a light brown tint. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go wash it off now. So we're gonna go into the bathroom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wash this off. I got a rag and we're gonna use some warm water to get all of this off my face. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is after I've washed it all off. You can't see anything for real, but I feel like you can see the brown spots a little bit. I don't know, like you can't see it on my lip either, but they said the brown one takes a day to show up. So we're gonna go ahead and wait till tomorrow, and then I'll be back with you guys to show you the result. Hopefully this isn't a problem. So I'm gonna hit you guys back tomorrow in the morning, so we'll be back. All right, you guys, so it's the next day and we most likely think it's a fail, but I think what happened was I didn't leave it on long enough. So I'm gonna try again and I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like after I tried it. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, so we applied it again. Hopefully it works this time for real. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna come back after I wash it off. Y'all don't have to go through that again, but I'm gonna come back with the finished results and hopefully it works. So we'll be back. All right, you guys, so we've washed it off and still looks like there's no freckles. But you can see like this little brown dot. That's from the freckle. Well, that's from the henna. My lips had a tint too. Can't really see it no more. But if you see like the orange, that's from the henna. It's like little spots. Like you see this one, this is from the henna. This is from the henna. So it's just different spots here and there. Like I could see a few around my face. But yeah, y'all, so this isn't a complete fail, but I would at least like them to be a little bit more dark and vibrant. But this is what we got. It's not bad. You see a few here and there. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell the difference, but yeah, it's cute little subtle little freckle type action going on. I don't know if you guys could see, it was like an orange tint like right here. Like you can see it's darker right here than it is right here. But y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love making it. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because your girl is still going. There you guys, last little look. It's like my acne blends in, so it's like it's hard to kind of tell, but I can see a few, so yeah. And I kept it on for like an hour and a half, so yeah. But I think next time we're gonna try black. I'm scared to try black, but we're gonna try black and yeah, see if it come out a little bit more darker, which I know it is. And I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna have my makeup on standby just in case it don't come out correctly. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys stay blessed. I love you, and your girl is out. Peace.